Hi students, today we are going to learn about exponential function. Okay, let's see what is the symbol for exponential function. Normally, we can represent exponential function from e to the power x. But what is the mathematical meaning of this exponential function? Here, exponential function is an infinite polynomial series. Simply, we can represent that one. E to the power x is equal to 1 plus x over 1 factorial plus x square over 2 factorial plus x to the power 3 over 3 factorial. Likewise, x into the power n factorial, blah blah blah. E to the power x mean an infinite polynomial series. Here you can see e to the power x equal 1 plus x over 1 factorial, x square over 2 factorial, x to the power 3 over 3 factorial. Likewise, we can continue up to infinity. Then here, if you need e to the power 0, let's take one example. If you need e to the power 0, okay, then simply substitute this x as 0. Look at here, our normal function is e to the power x, but here we have e to the power 0. That means x equal to 0. Therefore, we can find it here 1 plus 0 over 1 factorial plus 0 over 2 factorial. Likewise, we can calculate. Then here to here that answer is 0. Simply e to the power 0 is 1. If you need e to the power 1, substitute this x as 1. Okay, then here e to the power 1 equals 1 plus 1 over 1 factorial plus 1 square over 1, 2 factorial plus likewise we can continue. Okay, here the answer for e to the power 1 is 2.7. We can take that last answer e to the power 1 as 2.7. Then here mainly we are focusing about the differentiation of e to the power x. Let's find out what is the derivative of exponential function. Derivative of the exponential function. Okay, here I am going to find out the derivative of the exponential function from our first principle. Let's take, let fx equals to e to the power x. If fx equal to e to the power x, I can write fx plus delta x. Delta x means small increment of this x. That is equal e to the power x plus delta x. You know here f dash x, first derivative of function fx, we can write limit when delta x goes to 0 fx plus delta x minus fx over delta x. This is the first principle. Okay, now here we are writing limit delta x goes to 0. Now what is our x plus delta x? That is e to the power x plus delta x. X plus delta x minus what is fx? That is e to the power x over delta x. Okay, now here look at Pute. We have e to the power x plus delta x. Okay, I can write this e to the power x plus delta x. Limit delta x goes to 0. E to the power x into e to the power delta x minus e to the power x over delta x. Now you can see within these two terms we have e to the power x term that is common. Let's take it out. E to the power x, then here remaining e to the power delta x minus 1 over delta x. Now here I can give that limit for both e to the power x and this term. I am separately giving that limit delta x goes to 0 ex into limit delta x goes to 0 e to the power delta x minus 1 over delta x. In limits, the answer for this one is 1. Okay, then look at here, what is the answer for limit of e to the power x when delta x goes to 0? We don't have any delta x terms here, that means e to the power x is a constant, then limit of a constant is same constant. Then here you can see derivative of the function e to the power x is again what? E to the power x. I can write that likewise. Differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x, that is equals to e to the power x. Please remember this result when you are doing complex question. Thank you.